Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to use Janitor AI on your mobile device. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. To get started and use Janitor AI on your mobile phone, the first thing you'll need to do is to open a web browser and visit the official website for Janitor AI. So let's go ahead and do it right away, step by step. Step 1. Sign up for Janitor AI. Open a web browser from your Android device or your mobile device and inside the URL box type in janitorai.com. Doing this will take you to the official website for Janitor AI, which looks like this. From the main homepage, go ahead and tap on the hamburger menu at the top right hand corner. There you will be able to see two options displayed in the pop-up. To get started as a beginner, you'll first need an account. So tap on the register button and fill in your email address you have an access to in the first text box. After entering a valid email address, on the next field, create a password for your account. Now, you will need to check your email inbox for a confirmation link. After you are done filling in all of the details, click register and check your email to activate your account. Once you receive the email from Janitor AI, click on it. Once you click open your email, tap on confirm email and you will then be able to get to the next page. Here in the next page, you'll need to build up your profile. Type in your first name and then upload an image for yourself. Once you upload an image, go ahead and type in a username for yourself on the next field. You can now write down about yourself. Simply go ahead and type in some of your information for your profile, and then you can also explain your appearance in the Appearance tab. Finally, tap on Update Profile. Once you are done, you have now successfully created a new account for Janitor AI. Now from the Explore tab, you can explore the available chatbots within the Janitor AI platform. Select a chatbot that catches your attention. Each chatbot has its unique personality and capabilities. Now tap on the chat button in order to start chatting with the character. Type in your message in the text box at the bottom and send the message to interact with the character. You can ask questions, share prompts, or engage in creative conversations. Step 2. Create a character on Janitor AI. Once you have done with the exploration of the platform, you can now go ahead and design your own unique chatbot character. Simply go ahead and tap on the horizontal lines at the top right corner from the main homepage. Now click on Create a Character. Enter the character's name, upload their image, write down a short introduction about your character, select their gender. Under Type, you'll need to choose whether it'll be a private or a public bot. Make sure to define your character by typing in the personality traits, initial message for the character, the scenario you can explain for the character to be in, and some of the dialogues you can include in conversations. Finally, after filling in all of the details, you can tap on Create Character at the bottom in order to create and personalize your character. Step 3. Change settings. To navigate and change your settings for your platform, you will need to go ahead and tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right. Now, from the options, tap on Settings. Now you can go ahead and adjust or edit any information for your account. You can edit your name, profile picture, your username, your bio, and others. From this page, you can also reset your password if you've forgotten your password of your Janitor AI account. Step 4. Log out of Janitor AI. If you ever are in a situation where you want to log out of your account, then the process is quite easy. From the main homepage, tap on the hamburger menu at the top right and tap on the Log Out button at the bottom of the screen. Soon after you do that, you will be able to sign yourself out of Janitor AI. Log in Janitor AI. If you ever want to log in back again to your account, you can simply go visit janitorai.com on a web browser and then once you end up in the first interface, tap on Hamburger menu at the top right. Now select the Login option for logging into existing account. To log in, you'll need to enter your email followed by your account's password. Type in your Janitor AI account's email that you've previously used to create an account for yourself. On the next field, type in your account's password. If you don't remember your password, get help by clicking Forgot Password link. After typing down your credentials, click on Login and you will then be able to log into your Janitor AI account. Back again. Janitor AI allows you to create and chat with custom chatbots. You can enjoy designing your character and engaging in unique conversations. So that's how you can easily start using Janitor AI on your Android device quickly and easily. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.